Hi guys and welcome to my workshop. This is my fourth Study With Me video and right now I am memorizing English vocabularies on Quizlet. I am using a vocabulary book entitled 통함기 수능 영단어, which contains vocabularies and phrases both in English and Korean. Then I went to the library near our house and borrowed 3 books. I borrowed this Princess Academy, which got Newbery Award, and The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn, and last but not least, a Korean book which says Reason of Classic Books. Now, back to work. Currently, I am doing my geography homework. Even though the annual exam is over, teachers keep giving homework. And this homework was about coral reef. I had to finish the questions on the worksheets until next Wednesday. Well, there weren't many questions to answer, but it was difficult to find the answers on the internet. So, I think I worked on this homework for about an hour and a half, which was much longer time than I expected. And I finally finished the homework. Hooray! Well, this is all for this Study With Me video, and I'll come back soon with another Study With Me video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press like, and if you want more Study With Me videos, please subscribe. Bye!